Good morning, children. In the last class, we discussed first four lines of the poem Wandering Singers. Okay, today we are moving towards next lines. Our lays are of cities whose luster is shed. Okay, luster is shed means glow or shine is lost. Lays means songs, small songs. So our lays are of cities whose luster is shed. That means these poets are singing songs about ancient cities. Ancient cities. The laughter and beauty of woman long dead. That means so here or the theme of these songs that the wandering singers just sing songs. Okay. And the theme of these songs, that is what they sing about stories of ancient cities and ancient battles. And what here they sing about the laughter and beauty of women long dead. They sing about the laughter, the happiness and beauty of women who were dead long ago. Now they are no more. So these singers sing about what ancient cities, then laughter and beauty of the women who were dead long ago, then what? The sword of old battles, the crown of old kings, and the happy and simple and sorrow things. That means they sing about everything in this, everything in the world. They sing about the stories of ancient battles of old kings. They also sing about the beauty of woman and about sad things and happy things. So they sing about everything. What hope shall we gather? What dreams shall we sow? So here the poet is saying that what hope shall we gather? What hope or what these wandering singers think about their future? They have no hope. They are not keeping anything for their own. They just moving from one part to another. So so they wander from town to town and from the village to village. So they don't think about their future. So they have no hope and they have no dreams for their better future. Where the wind calls our wandering footsteps we go. No lovebirds bid us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of our fate. So, here the poet is just saying that they are not waiting for anyone. No lovebirds is there to make them stay in a village, in a town, or anywhere. So, nobody is there to stop them. They are just moving from one place to another and they are spreading the message of love through their singing, and they have no dreams, no hopes of their own. Nothing is there. They go wherever the wind calls them. They play the lute and they roam from one place to another. And here one more thing, children, this the voice of the wind symbolizes the welcoming tone of the song that echoes through the forest and the street. That means they are the welcoming notes. And here they are saying that the voice of the wind is the voice of their destiny. So they are just following the echoing sound of their own songs. Okay, children. So we can go through this once more. Where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet through echoing forest and echoing street, with lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam, all Men are our kindred, the world is our home. Our lays are of cities whose luster is shed, the laughter and the beauty of women long dead, the sword of all battles, the crown of old kings, unhappy and simple and sorrowful things. What hope shall we gather? What dreams shall we sow? Where the wind calls, our wandering footsteps we go. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of our fate, destiny. Fate. So, fate, meaning of our fate is destiny or life. Okay, children. So today this is enough for you. So today in your class WhatsApp group you can find out new words of this poem. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, children.